Hello there guys, it's CoolFox here, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing and review of the EasySMX mechanical keyboard. Before I begin, I would really appreciate it if you can subscribe, as we are trying to hit 1000 subscribers. Starting off with the unboxing, we can see that the keyboard comes in a cardboard box, and on the back we have all the specifications listed. Opening it up, we can see the keyboard in bubble wrap, as well as the wrist rest, manual and keycap puller. You can see that the keycap puller is not the best quality and doesn't fit some of the keys, such as the enter key. Something else to keep in mind is that underneath long or wide keys there are stabilizers to stabilize the key itself. Taking a look at the keyboard, you can see that it is all made out of metal, which is of pretty good quality, and I was actually not expecting this for the price. You also have LED indicators indicating the caps lock and numpad lock, and apart from that there are two visible screws on the front. This is a pretty industrial looking aesthetic, which I personally like. The USB cable is gold plated and unfortunately is not braided, although it is made out of nice quality rubber. Next to the feet are rubber studs for when the feet are not in use, and the feet themselves feature a rubber end as to not slide around on the surface it is on. They are very snappy and will not close by themselves. The wrist rest can be attached by unscrewing the screw first and then screwing them back in once the connectors are in place. The wrist rest itself is very comfortable, although it is fully made out of plastic. It also has some lines which offer a bit more aesthetic. Moving on to the switches, you can see that they are blue UTEMU switches, not Cherry MX, which is to be expected at this price. And although these are UTEMU switches, these still feel very good, and I cannot tell much difference between UTEMU and Cherry MX switches, although the UTEMU switches are a bit heavier to press. Here is a typing test of the switches themselves. There is also a diagram showing why the clicks happen and why there is this sound present. It does have key wobble, although while typing it is hardly noticeable. Apart from that, you can also see the individual key lighting, which is very nice and bright. They are preset and unfortunately cannot change color. They do however feature a fade effect, and they can also change the intensity and speed of the LEDs. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. This was CoolFox and I'm out. Peace.